when you are just identifying these pieces, the degree, identify individual terms and state what the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient is going to be the coefficient when you write it in standard form. So when you write the highest power first, that leading coefficient is going to be the multiplier or the coefficient in front of that. Okay, so if we look at this first example right here, this expression is not written in standard form for a polynomial because it's not in order from highest to lowest degree. So the first thing we would do is identify what is the degree of this polynomial. So the degree of the polynomial is whatever the highest degree term is, which in this case is 6. Okay, if you listed the terms, each individual term, you'd separate by a comma. So 8w to the 4th, 2w cubed, include the sign, so negative 6w to the 6th, and then negative 2. That would be your list of terms. You don't have to organize the list of terms in standard form. If you want to, that's fine. The order's not going to matter. Okay, but the leading coefficient does have to be the coefficient of the highest degree terms, which in this case was your power 6. So the leading coefficient is going to be negative 6. Okay, I want you to try answering those same questions for this last problem, please. The degree of this polynomial, the highest degree term, which is 9. So this is a 9th degree polynomial. The list of terms, if you just include them in the order that they appear. Okay, notice I don't write the plus sign in front of the terms that are positive. It's just like any number. It's assumed to be positive unless you put a negative sign in front. And then the leading coefficient would be if you reordered these in standard form with the highest degree first, the leading coefficient would be its multiplier, which is 8.